ultimate music teachers and musicians everywhere. Welcome to Ultimate Music Theory and my special guest today, because we're hanging out at the CFMTA convention or conference, I should say, and we're in Winnipeg, Canada. And I am here with two amazing composers from Red Leaf Pianoworks. So what is Red Leaf Pianoworks? And I'm just going to start off with Martha. So tell us about things.
I'm going to tell you we're a collective of self-publishing composers. There are 11 of us.
11 composers. Red Leaf composers.
Yes, Red Leaf Pianoworks. And we share, collaborate, support one another, have a website, sell music at trade shows, and offer the teacher.
And I think the cool thing about Red Leaf is that you are a collection of composers, but I've seen you at a lot of different trade shows. And because you have an opportunity to travel, you actually get to meet the composer themselves, not just buying the music, but you get to say, hey, and I'm sure you get a lot of ideas. People might be saying, you know, I've always wanted to learn a piece of music about whatever it might be. And if you're talking to the composer, they go, that's a great idea. I never thought of that, right?
Absolutely.
So what have you got here, these little saplings?
Okay.
Miss Martha?
This is Red Leaf's second anthology. The first was Sprouts for beginners to elementary, and this is our intermediate level 3, 4, 5, 21 pieces, one sonatina, all represented by our composers.
Oh, that's a collection, and you got to have it. And I think what the interesting thing is, as a piano teacher myself, I find that, you know, if you keep teaching the same thing all the time, you get bored with yourself. And I think it just gives us a great opportunity to explore new music and to support, you know, living composers, right? Like
so far.
Let's just keep going. So Rebekah, tell me what you got. You are rocking that train, girl.
Yes, this is my most recent publication, Rock That Train, and I was inspired when Jazz Goes the Weasel, which is in the RCM Level 1 studies book. I was inspired by how well that piece did, and I thought, well, kids really want to play jazz. They want to play blues. They want to play music that has rhythm and excitement. So what I did was I took some pieces and I've written them from the preparatory to the grade 2 level in this book. And they're really easily accessible. It's right hand or left hand. It's kind of integrated, hands separate, but kind of sounds hands together.
Right.
And it's just really good recital music. It's good for kids who want to play music that's rhythmic and sounds more harder than it really is.
Like zoom in on the cover?
Sure.
Because look how cool that is, right?
It's an anime style.
It's a great little book cover, and it kind of is exciting because it makes you want to go there, right?
Yes.
And I think one of the things I remember years ago, I wrote a song called Me and My Little Dog, Arf, 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 Arf. And then I saw Martha Hill Duncan's book called If Dogs Could Talk. So tell us about this one, because it's a great cover.
Okay, well, this book is singing at the piano. There's poetry in every piece, and I'm a singer too. And so if you're learning to play the piano, then you can have words to go along with it to help the help memory, help the rhythm. So they all have little pictures and little stories in them.
Oh, nice.
Prep level to grade 2, the hardest one. And the If Dogs Could Talk is so much fun, because really, what do you think if a dog would talk?
Right. Yes.
And the last piece is
that's actually hilarious, because I used to have a dog, and I'd say, you know, come on over here, Muffy, and I could just kind of see that look in their face, going, seriously, I'm just napping, you know. So like you wonder, what are they saying?
And so all of them, there's a little sunnier days, a little bird that falls out of its nest.
Oh, cute.
An African cat that's hiding behind the couch, ready to attack. My favorite, and they say, talking fish is very scary, but flying horses and talking fish is kind of Halloweenish, nightmarish.
Yes.
Lots of loud chords and.
That's so fun. Well, I just think you guys are awesome. I want to pop up on the screen just where you can find more information about Red Leaf piano composer. So I'm going to pop this up here. It is redleafpianoworks.com, and I think one of the most, you know, my favorite things about coming out to, conferences is networking, have an opportunity to meet composers, you know, meet new friends and reconnect with old friends. And I think it's just the love of sharing music. And you guys do a fantastic job of just really showcasing fun things that that kids want to play, and adults as well. Just because you're grown up doesn't mean you don't want to play something fun. So thank you for all of these. Make sure to check them out because I think they're amazing. I see we've got some. Are we getting some comments here? Oh, hello. I should give a couple of shout out to Emmanuel. Thanks for joining us. Now, if you're in Winnipeg, hey, Larissa, if you guys are coming on down, make sure that you come and see us. We're at the trade show, Red Leaf Pianoworks, and of course, Ultimate Music Theory. We've got amazing vendors out here, some fantastic deals. So come check it out, right, ladies? Okay, we'll do the super pose. Yay! Red Leaf Pianoworks. Yay. Check it out.
And thanks, Lori.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye now. These books are so cute.